Okay, this is your last chance to do the chainsaw, okay? If you didn't know how to do it, the dancers are going to show you how to do it. This is how you do it. It's like this. It's both your elbows to your kneecaps. Crank it like a chainsaw. Let's try it again. Elbows to the kneecaps. Crank it like a chainsaw. You crank it back. You crank it back. You guys got it? You guys ready? Are you ready? Okay.